We did a comparison. We wanted to see exactly what was going to happen between the two products, our normal conventional metal corner bead and the no-coat. We went essentially floor for floor. The top floor equaled the bottom floor. There was a substantial difference in, number one, the quality, the ability to put it on, the time saving as well as material savings between the two floors. We had the no-coat product put on in half the time as the metal corner bead.
The first day we put on like 4 boxes of your bead, the no-coat bead, versus a half a box of the metal bead. I mean, I was absolutely amazed how much we got on in one day.
Second floor, we used 20 bags of 90. On the first floor, we used 3 bags of 90. There was 17 bags of 90 left over at the end of that floor, and they were mirror images.
The application is faster because you're not having to leave as much mud. You're putting it on and wiping it off all in the same stroke instead of trying to put it on and then leave too much there, or, you know, your movements are faster.
We've always said, and everyone has said, you know, mud is money. Mud is labor.
Regular corner bead, we had, you know, you'd only get 4 sticks of a bead out of a bucket. With the no coat, we'd get 10 sticks. Huge. It's just, the mud savings is a ton. It's a ton. I can't believe it.
The general contractor was sold on it immediate when I saw the ability to able to put the no coat product on the outside corner, within 25 or 30 minutes come back and actually hit it with the end of a handle and not breaking. You couldn't do that with a bead. You know, it'd break apart.
The callbacks are normally were a big deal. With the metal bead, people were running in lifts into the corner and just destroying corners. We'd spend a week going back, fixing everything.
We could have 2-3 days coming back in and fixing corner beads that the other trades have hit or run into, or the bead has fallen off, or somebody smacked it and dent it. You don't have that with the no-coat product.
The thing that I like best about the no-coat would be the finished product, the clean corners, the flat trim, the flat ceilings. It just looks like a professional did it. It just looks good.
And there is a difference between the outside corners and how crisp they look. I mean, with the no-coat product, it was true, it was square. It's a better looking end product than anything we've ever used.
Everything sits down real nice, the base sits on it real nice, the ceilings sit on it real nice. It's just a real nice quality job when it's done.
I mean, the competitive atmosphere of construction now, you've got to be on the cutting edge. You have no choice in it if you want to stay competitive. This is keeping Lakeside competitive. By using this kind of outside corner, using the newer technology, we are more competitive in the industry.